G'day guys, Scotty here from the Hook and the Cook, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm out in the middle of the Port Acking River in the middle of winter. We can't really do much here in Sydney at the moment because we're all in lockdown, so I'm out here giving the boat a run. And I thought, while I'm out here, I'll see if I can fish for a favourite species of mine, the leatherjacket, that I cut my teeth on as a young kid. So let's see how we go. Now guys, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification so you know when we put up our next clip. It's a perfect day, but look at that ripper. Oh, he's a cracker. Beautiful markings on him. Fantastic fun. And really good fun in the winter months, guys. Especially bring your kids out and give it a go. All you need to do is find a little bit of reefy structure on the bottom and paternoster rig and a piece of pearl prawn and you're in business. These leatherjackets school over these areas in big numbers. What a beautiful fish. The rig for leatherjackets is fairly simple. A basic paternoster rig. 2 to 4 kilo line, and you can run that all the way through to your sinker, a number 5 ball sinker, and then your dropper off the side is all tied out of the same line, and I keep that nice and short, around that 200 millimeters. Hook size between an 8 and 10 long shank works fine. Prawns, squid, nippers, worms, any of those baits will work for leatherjackets, but prawns are probably a favoured bait for leatherjackets. And the distance between your sinker and your dropper for your hook is not that important. I play around between 400 to 600, but you can make it longer, you can make it shorter. It's worth experimenting with that. So there you go guys, a simple rig to target your leatherjackets. My special tip is to chop all the heads up nice and fine, as you can see here, and then just drop that in the water directly above where you're fishing. It works really well for leatherjackets. Okay, they're the heads I've just cut up. So I'm just dropping them in the water and I'll fish directly down below this. I find it works really good for jackets. And other fish as well. Another nice jacket. Now another one followed him up as well. So there's quite a few down there at the moment. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh, well, there goes the last bait. It's been a fun few hours, wasting another day in Sydney while we're in COVID, but at least we can come out and do these sort of things. Beautiful day out here, and there's a lot of boats out in the water as well. But anyway guys, we'll see you guys on the water next week somewhere, here on the Hook and the Cook. Cheers guys.